This video is for anybody struggling with their multiplication facts. There's just a few tips here on how to remember them, or just how to write them out quickly and reference them and use that to remember your facts and memorize them eventually. So the 2s, the 5s, and the 10s are already filled out here. For 3s, we just count by 3. I'm just going to put 3 little circles here, and you can reference them if you need to. Just say 3 and then add 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and continue doing that. 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now we have 4s. With 4s, the reason I filled out the 2s here is the 4s will kind of tell you what to do, because if you just skip every other multiple of 2, it will already tell you the first 5 multiples of 4. Like 4 is right here, that's 4 times 1. Then if you skip to the next one, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. Then you can just put 4 circles at the top to help you. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and so on. 28, 32, plus 4 is 36, plus 4 is 40. We're going to skip the 5s. For 6, again, you can put 6 little circles here at the top, but the clue here is in the 3s. Just like with the 4s and the 2s, the 6s and 3s are related. 6 times 1, 6 times 2 is 12. Skip the next one. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, another little tip here. When it's even numbers like the 4s and the 6s, the number in the 1s place will repeat itself. So this goes 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. This will go 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. So if I look at the 6s, it's an even number, so it's going to repeat itself. 6, 2, 8, 4, 0. So I can even put in 6, 2, 8, 4, 0. And again, I just add 6. 30 plus 6 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. 54 plus 6 is 60. Also, when it's even numbers, it's always going to be even numbers the entire time. Even numbers the whole time, even numbers the whole time. Now with 7s, it's going to be odd numbers the whole time, because it is an odd number. I'm sorry, it's not going to be odd numbers the whole time. It's going to be odd numbers every other time. So 7 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it goes odd, even, odd, even. So it's really going to be odd. I'll put in little odds and evens here. So if I put an even number, if I put 20 here or 22, I know I made a mistake. I have to go back and look. So 14 plus 7, you can count those up if you need to. 21 plus 7 is 28, plus 7 is 35, plus 7 is 42, plus 7 is 49, plus 7 is 56, plus 7 is 63, plus 7 is 70. Another thing you can remember is, unlike the even numbers, the 1s digit doesn't repeat itself, but it doesn't repeat itself at all. So there's a different 1s digit every time. 7, 4, I got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 or 0. Okay, with the 8s, you can reference the 4s. 8 times 1. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. And again, it's right there. 32 is next. All I have to do is look at the 4s here. It's every other number. 40. And then 40 plus 8, 48. Plus that, plus 8 is 56. Plus 8 is 64. Okay, I can even write the 8s up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. And of course, the last one's going to be 80. Okay, for 9s, there's a few different things you can do. You can add 9 each time, but 9s are actually super easy because the number in the ones place is going to go in reverse. It's going to go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The number in the ones place is going to go the opposite way. It's counting up by 1. So think of this as 0, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another way to remember it, or a little trick to remind you, is the 2 digits will always add up to 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5, and then it just reverses itself. 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 1, 9, 0. So those are just some tricks. If you're having trouble with your multiplication facts, you're going to want to just write those down and kind of quiz yourself on it, and eventually you will just memorize it and you won't have to practice this anymore.